Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to set reminder on Viber. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Viber on your phone. Now tap on More from the bottom right corner. Then go to My Notes. In the message box, write the reminder like a regular message. After that, tap on the Send button. Now long press on the message. A drop-down menu will open. Tap on Set Reminder. Select the date and time when you want to get the reminder. From here you can choose for how long you want to set the reminder. Then finally, tap on Save. Your reminder has been set, and will show up in your chats at the appropriate time. To edit the reminder, tap on the date below the message. And change the date and time. So in this way, you can set reminder on Viber. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.